Well, we were working. It is sometimes it is hard when you have girls coming from overseas, but we were working through emails and sending them some videos, so they know actually as soon as they arrive, they know what are we expecting from them on each position. So yeah, mainly try to keep them informed about what the camp was going to be. The main thing was to get them as a group, because in a football, any football team, if you don't play as a group, if you don't know each other, you're not going to perform well. So our main thing, apart from training, was like making the girls to set up a strong bond. I like to tell them, look, we need to be a family. If we're not a family, we're not going to perform. So I think so far they understood the message. So hopefully in the first game, we're going to do it.